Hey guys, so one of our users, Andy, has a question that how you add margins or basically how you add a spacing around these elements. Okay, so I'll tell you the easiest way to do is first you go to the styles tab, then you scroll down to margins and paddings, and then you specify a margin or you specify a padding. I'll tell you the difference. So how these margin works is first you like if I say 10 px, so what it will do is it will add up 10 px 10 pixels around this, and you can even specify like different margins. So if I say like 10 px 20 px, then what it means is that I have a 10 pixel margin on the top and then I have like a 20 pixels on the sides, and I can even change this like 10 px 10 px 40 px. So what this is how it's done is first is the top margin, this one, then we have the right margin, this one, then we have the bottom margin. Like if I change it to let's say 100 px, then it will add a huge bottom margin, and then we have this 40 pixels, this 40 px. uh, the difference between margin and padding is like if I instead say 50 px, so even it looks the same. If you see the outline, what is happening is that the spacing applied inside the element. On the other hand, when I put a margin, the spacing you can see is being applied outside the element. So it's your choice, whatever you feel you require uh, in the case. And one more thing, if you know how to code, then you can also go to the CSS tab and you can use a Bootstrap class. Like if you add this my4, this is a inbuilt Bootstrap class, so this will add a margin of like 10 pixels on both on the top and bottom. I don't know exactly how much margin this is, but these are standard Bootstrap classes. Or you can go here and let's say you just want to add a margin at the bottom, then you can just say margin 100 pixels, and it's the same thing applied to this element. But this is only for the people who know how to code. I would recommend that most of you people who are you just using this to build your websites, you just use this tab to add your margins and paddings.